Downloading your Behance portfolio as a PDF can be a great way to share your work offline or submit it for job applications. Here's how to do it. Log into Behance. Start by visiting the Behance website and signing into your account using your credentials. Go to your project. Navigate to the specific project you want to download. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, select My Projects and choose the project you want. Use the Share option. On your project page, look for the Share button, usually located near the project title. Click on it to reveal sharing options. Select Download PDF. If Behance provides a PDF option, you will see an option to download PDF in the drop-down menu. Click on this option. Customize your PDF. Some projects may allow you to customize the PDF settings, such as choosing which images to include. Make your selections as needed. Download the PDF. Once you've customized your settings, click Download or Generate PDF. The file will be prepared and automatically downloaded to your device. Check the downloaded file. Locate the PDF in your device's download folder to ensure it's correctly formatted.